So do yourselves a favor, get your camera ready. From Pontotoc, Mississippi, Tim Leppard proudly brings to you Team Ghost Riders. That's right, real live Capuchin cowboy monkeys. Taking them to one side of the grandstands is the field general. Watch those dogs work with nothing more than voice and hand commands to this side of the grandstands. Border collies imported from Scotland. The white-throat Capuchin monkeys from South America. And Tim Leppard of Pontotoc, Mississippi. And the tip of the hat to this side. Now before you can load them up, you got to put them in a corral. The makeshift catch pen in the center of our arena. They gathered as Team Ghost Riders looks for a shot to put them all in the pen. Herd them around, Cowboys. Tim Leppard closes the gate. Now wait a minute, I heard there's a wild thing somewhere. So as we drop the pin, once they're put in the corral, they must be carried to the truck if you want to take the doggies to market. So they pull the truck forward. Take a look at this. One dog works with the left hand, one dog works with the right. And he speaks to the third dog. Told you they weren't trained. These rascals are wild. Promise you that's not in the script. One's loaded. Speaking of a ram's head on the front of that Dodge truck, we got a couple of them. Load up there, buddy. Popping down. And ladies and gentlemen, Tim Leppard of Pontotoc, Mississippi tips his hat to you. With Team Ghost Rider, ladies and gentlemen, Tim Leppard, the Wild Thing, bringing you the Cowboy Monkeys. Well, they're making their way out. If everyone's having a good time so far here this afternoon, everybody say yeah. Well, our saddle bronc riders